If you're watching this right now, this found you at the perfect time. This is confirmation from God that everything is coming full circle now, and you're starting to see how connected everything all is and how present God truly is in your life. And He's been leaving you little winks, little breadcrumbs, just to beckon you closer and closer and closer to Him. And the closer you get, the more obvious His presence becomes, and the more stable your life becomes as a result of that presence. And then you'll start to see how God works in the most mysterious ways. And when you have a need, He fulfills it. When you ask for resources, He gives it to you instantly. You have to be willing to move forward and take action. Otherwise, you will stay stuck or remain blind to the opportunities or resources that are always within your grasp at any given moment. And so when you take action on things, God will give you exactly what you need when you set that intention, and that closeness with Him is going to give you the discernment you need to see these things and to recognize them even as part of this process, this unfolding, and trusting God giving you the guidance that you need and Him giving you everything you need to fulfill the mission, to complete the task, to fulfill your purpose that God is giving you. So when it's aligned with Him and His will, He will give you everything that you need. So, for example, if you're taking action on an idea or something that feels inspiring that you've been thinking about for quite some time, and you finally take action on it, without thinking, what you need will just show up sequentially. It'll be like the next obvious step to you. So, for example, I had the intention to create content today and I needed a particular tool to do so. So I opened my laptop and the first app that is shown to me is a new app, and it is also the perfect tool for what I need. And it's so cosmic and so divine, the timing and how everything unfolded, that it reminds me that's how God works. That's His presence in your life and how He provides provision to you. So it opens you up to miracles and wonder and magic and also manifestation and luck. It all comes from God. And so all you need to do is recognize that and to thank God for it and feel so loved and connected to Him. And the rest just unfolds so beautifully when you maintain that connection with Him. So work on being present with God, to communicating with God and connecting to Him in that way. And if you need guidance in doing so, this is everything that we will go over inside of the Temple Within, my online sanctuary for reconnecting with God outside of religious dogma. So that is linked down below. I am relaunching it this week, brand new. So I hope to see you there. Otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know where it resonated, because your testimony means so much to me and helps uplift and inspire others. And you have more of an impact than you realize. So leaving your testimony in the comments echoes and touches so many people. So I would be truly honored and appreciated if you did. It supports this channel more than you know. Otherwise, I'll leave it at that. I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.